is the original Twitter application. This comes from Twitter itself. Alright, so this is the, like I said, this is the original Twitter client. This comes from Twitter itself. You're presented with 6 options. From the 6 options, you can go to list. This is your list you're following, and the list that you're listed on. Retweets. These are retweets by you, retweets by others, or retweeted. So you get a profile section. This basically gives you a list of your tweets with your icon on top. If you select the little bird here on the left hand side, then you get a list of tweets, profile, followers, follow, block a user, favorites, lists that you listed on, and the people you're following. So let's take a look at profile. This basically shows you a list of your profile. Followers will show you the list of your followers. Following will show you a list of the people you're following. Favorites, if you had any favorites, and so forth. You can also select following. Not select, but you can see the following list and the followers right from here, and you can see when that person became a member, location, and URL. Direct messages, any direct messages you might have, inbox, outbox, you get both in here. Any mentions, so you haven't mentioned anywhere in the Twitter world, it will be listed here. And this is the list of tweets. These are all the tweets available on your timeline. You are presented with this little blue arrow. When you select that, it gives you an option to reply, retweet, make it a favorite, or share it. If you select share, for example, again, it will use the available options on your device to share, whether you want to share Facebook via Gmail, Google Voice, etc., etc. If you want to reply to it, same thing. You select the same arrow, select reply, and you can type in your information. It will show you the reply, what you're replying to in here, and then you send a reply. If you want to send a fresh new tweet, you select one of the icons provided on the top. You will type in your information, and then it gives you an option to upload a picture from your albums on your cell phone. It gives you an option to take a picture using the camera on your device. And if you want to add other users to that message, you will pick them from here, and you can update it. Those are the icons located here on top. You get a refresh button, you get the message button, cancel, and then you get a search button. This is where you can search Twitter. Anything you might want to search for, you'll do it here, and we'll give you the results right on the bottom. Lean version of Twitter here. You get 2 options on the bottom. When you press the menu, you get a sign up option, and you get a settings option. Here you can sync, if you have any contacts on your phone you want to sync it with, sync Twitter data, how often do you want it to refresh, anything from 5 minutes all the way to 4 hours, what kind of notifications you want, basically if you want to make it active, if you want new tweets, mentions, or direct messages, if you want it to vibrate, if you want it to blink the light, and what kind of ringtone would you like to add. You can animate the background. You can select what photo services to use. In this case, you only got 2. What address service you would like to use. In this case, you also get 2 as well. If you deselect the animate background option, so you can see the clouds are not moving. Let's go to settings again. Now you see how the clouds and the birds is moving. These little messages, these pop-ups that you see all over the place, these are happenings, hashtags. You can select one of them if you're interested on, and then it will give you different tweets for that particular hashtag. It's basically the happening, what's happening in Twitter. It will be provided to you via that update like that. As far as widgets is concerned, for the original Twitter client, you get small one. Basically gives you different tweets on a small section, and you get what they called a large Twitter widget that gives you basically kind of the same information, but it gives you a section for you to update your Twitter account. That's basically it. That's all the Twitter clients we have for now. Again, there were Sysmic, Sobeys, Twitter, Tweetcaster, TweetJoy, and the original Twitter application. Personally, on a personal note, the ones we like the most are Sysmic and Tweetcaster, but we want to hear from you guys. Let us know what you guys are using. Let us know why you're using that particular client. What are the pros and cons as far as what you can see from different client for the client you're using. Why is it that you're using that particular one? And let us know how it's going. How's it been so far? Just make sure you leave the message there on the bottom, on the comment section. Again, we want to hear from you. This is Heinz from the Urban Blend. I hope you guys appreciate this little video that will help you make a decision as to what client to use on your Android device, since there are so many of them. Like we said at the beginning of the video, these are free clients, so you can, if you like, download them all, play around yourself with all of them, and see which one you like the most. Alright, see you guys later. Bye bye.